Hey guys, it's time to do a speed test between this Samsung S4, the 5-year-old phone Samsung versus a Samsung, not a Samsung. It has a Sony Xperia L1. It is having a MediaTek processor with 2 GB RAM. I don't know what is the name in. So let's boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And 2 GB RAM on both phones, and I am very interested to see the RAM measurement. And the logo came first on the S4, tiny bit faster, and you can see S4 is going to the Samsung logo. And you can see S4 is faster, but the Sony Xperia and S4 is faster, and everything is goes up in the background. So let's start some applications. Phone dialer, and the S4 is again faster. Let's open another applications. And you can see let's open another applications, system base. Oops, I mistake. Calculator, and that was about the same. So let's open some games application. And sorry guys, I am so mistakes in videos. So let's open games applications, and the mobile brightness is high on both phones. Games application, and show you guys what is the speed. And you can see Sony Xperia is open the web, is going to the loading, and you can see, and the S4 is also done about 2 or 4 second difference, I think. So let's open another game application. And you can see and Sony Xperia is done, and the S4 is right behind. So last opening up the application camera. Here we go, and you can see S4 is faster. So let's zooming in and out. Let's open internet browser on both phones and show you guys what is the speed in the internet. So I have launched internet browser on both phones. So launching the website Wikipedia, and you can see C5 and Sony Xperia is faster. Let's open another website. Facebook.com. And you can see Sony Xperia is very fast in this website, and the S4 is also done. So let's see the RAM measurement, about 2 or 3 second difference. So let's open phone dialer, and you can see refresh on the Sony Xperia. And no refresh on Sony Xperia, but the S4 is refresh this application. Calculator, refresh on both phones. Open the game application, refresh on both phones. So, and I mean the S4 is having a 5-year-old phone, but it is head to head to the Sony Xperia, and Sony Xperia is not refreshed because it has a new phone compared to the S4. So no refresh, and overall I have to say both phones having the same speed and same internet speed and the same apps opening. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. In this speed test, show you guys what is the speed in phones. So I catch you guys in the next video. Peace.